Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how tuna fish is caught in the sea and how processed in the factory. In the tropical and temperate water, shoals and tuna live in the great depth because tuna commercially fishing involves catching fish. In this case, many fishermen use fishing nets to harvest tuna fish. In addition, several ships use crane adjustments to catch the tuna. Fishing ships are what they are known as. For keeping fish, they have specific refrigerator room. Here tuna fish is kept. Conveyors are used to transfer tuna fish from fishing bags into storage containers. One of the tuna species that the routinely harvested for food is Atlantic Benfica. Commercial purposes. A tuna fish typically weighs more than 150 kg. This tuna field bags are raised by to transport for picker to the factory. Special covered. We will observe how these tuna fish are divided into sectors in the factory now. These fish are delivered to the fish cropping factory, where hundreds of workers executively cut the fish. The workers first using catching to remove the tuna's head and tail components machine. The tuna is then chopped into 4 pieces along the spine using a machine. Each tuna chop has its spine removed. On the skin, you can see employees separating the tuna fish's belly. Then the workmen skinned tuna with scissors they had made themselves a few factories. The tuna fish meat shaped is afterwards fishing using a shaping machine. Then the tuna filled with the line appears. Workers assemble the meat into trays according to the weight and size the tuna meat pieces. Later meat filled to a roller are sent the heating plant. These fillings are then put into a tank by workers where it is hotter than 100 degrees Celsius. As a result, cooking tuna meat is simple, which is marketed afterward through several factory procedures, which will be displayed now. An employee transports the beef from the steaming facility to the manufacturing facility. It comes last in the processing of tuna fish. Burn marks remain on the meat that has been boiled and brought here. To get rid of this stain with scratchers, employees carefully lift the burnt portion in the mill. After that, the worker places these clean meats in boxes and prints their serial number on them. The box and attachments it to the machine. He afterwards strums this box up on a wire on the line that is hooked to a roller. Workers arrange the tuna's meat. The tuna meat is preserved for a long period in these containers by adding a small amount of water to them. Additionally, some medicine in the manufacturing, an air supply fan is used. The containers are therefore entirely dry. The leveling line takes each container to the leveling machine. The container's leveling sticker is applied using the leveling machine. The sticker is printed with the company name, manufacturing date, expiry date, etc. Then this tuna filled steel containers. On the other hand, the equipment is used to dry tuna meat means to fill the jar, dried machine materials are transported to the filtering factory. This jar moved through the line to the capping device. One more brought to the heating pan. To eliminate the residual bacteria, these jars are put onto the bank, in the process of which we will see now. The fish meat was first manually chopped into the little pieces by the production workers. These tiny meat bits should be neatly arranged inside the container. The resemblance of a cake allowed. Then the workers lined up these containers. An automatic capping machine has sealed these containers. Following that, forklifts are used to transport these containers to the heating capacity. The heating tank is filled with the tuna meat. After cleaning, they are delivered for packing. The bodies of these containers are then labeled using a labeling machine. These containers are loaded into machines, wrapped in polytechnic and placed inside paper cartons, weighed from 89 gram to 100 gram respectively. Now, this tuna fish meat is sold in the ready market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share.